Hello and welcome. Today we have a Lazy Boy wall saver recliner on the bench. I've removed the back and rolled the bottom of the chair over. Today we're going to repair a separated arm frame, this one right here. It is separated from this inside arm frame panel, and this part of the arm frame is actually lifted, and you can see I can get my fingers inside the frame here. I'm going to start by taking the cover loose on the front and back of the arm frame so that I can uncover all the areas where the frame is separated. We've run into a problem here where a part of this arm frame board is actually broken. So I'm going to have to stop here where I'm at and order a new arm frame for this customer and install that instead of repairing this one. So we'll pick this up again when the new arm frame comes in. Okay, the new arm frame has come in, so we're ready to resume the work on this repair. We're going to start by removing this old arm frame here. It's held on in several places. Back here, this rail, there's a couple of screws that hold it on. Towards the front, there are a couple of corner brackets where some fasteners need to be removed. Here, the bearing link subassemblies has a few fasteners that are holding it in place. The round support shaft in the front has one fastener that's on the inside of the arm frame. And of course, we also have to remove the handle, the upholstery and padding, transfer the upholstery and padding to the new arm frame, and then install that. Whew. There's a lot to do here, so let's get started. Okay, I put a loose cushion underneath the seat to help support the bottom of the chair while I try to pull this arm frame off. Okay, let's have a look at where all these fasteners came from. 2 bolts held on this rail. 1, 2, 3, 4 fasteners were attached to the bearing link subassembly. 1, 2, 3 fasteners here. And down here, this pin that helps hold the support shaft in place. Okay, now we have to finish removing the cover and the padding. But before you take it the rest of the way off, you want to make note of how this panel is attached. Here you can see a pre-cut hole where the seat swings attach, but you also want to give yourself some other reference points. So I'll mark where this panel was attached here on the inside arm frame. Also, you want to make note of how your padding is attached. Maybe just use your phone, take a couple of pictures before you remove everything.